We're here at Les Enfants du Marché, and this is one of the best places if you want to have an awesome lunch in Paris, full of excellent natural wines and stupendous food with an awesome host, Michael, as well. The food we have here is absolutely incredible. Mussels with gorgonzola is probably the best gorgonzola dish I've ever had. Chanterelles with egg yolk, absolutely insane. Sirloin steak aged, one of the best I've had in France for sure. They really fucking know how to do it here. If you are in Paris, you have to come to this joint in a market. It is fucking amazing.
Drop that shit. Take it.